Tie up, unraveled, understanding the phrase. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the phrase, tie up. It's a versatile English expression, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how and when to use it. Tie up literally means to fasten, secure, or bind something using a rope, cord, or another type of string-like material. Picture someone tying a boat to a dock, ensuring it doesn't drift away. Example 1. After parking the boat, he tied it up to the dock. Example 2. She tied up her shoelaces before starting the race. Beyond its literal meaning, tie up has several figurative uses. 1. Occupying someone or something. This means to keep someone or something busy or engaged, preventing them from doing something else. Example, I can't come to the phone right now, I'm tied up in a meeting. 2. Finalizing or completing. This can refer to finishing off tasks or responsibilities. Example, I need to tie up some loose ends at work before the weekend. 3. Investing or committing resources. This is often used in business contexts to refer to resources like money or time that are committed and cannot be easily accessed or used for other purposes. Example, most of my funds are tied up in long-term investments. 1. Context matters. Always be aware of the situation you're in when using the phrase. The literal and figurative meanings can be quite different, so you wouldn't want to mix them up. 2. Pairs well with prepositions. Tie up often goes hand in hand with prepositions like in or with. For instance, I'm tied up in a meeting, or my funds are tied up with investments. 3. Variability. There are variations of this phrase, like tie someone up, which can mean to physically bind someone. So always ensure clarity when using such expressions. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, tie up. Now you not only know its literal meaning but also its figurative uses. Remember, English is full of such intriguing expressions, and understanding them will make your communication more fluent and engaging. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep learning and see you next time.